Honestly, in most cases, Notion is for many users far too useless. I mean, Notion is a great tool, don't understand me wrong here, but I think a lot of people don't understand what Notion is actually good for. I mean, as you've seen here, like this is my entire system which I use daily. But to get to this point, it took me months. I think even years. And in this video, I shortly provide the best possible outcome for Notion and how to make Notion actually useful. And it's actually just one simple thing, which most people don't really understand. The point, what makes Notion so useful is relations. Not relationships, relations. These are things like this, like connecting different documents to each other and making them useful, like things like customized layout, where you can say like, hey, I have this authority, problem, pain point, content type, whatever, and then you kind of like connect everything together, and then one fits to the other, and then you have this second brain. Like, so many people talk about the second brain on Notion, but actually not a lot of people have an idea how a second brain actually works, right? So let me give you an example how I make Notion useful, because I've never done it for my entire career until the last maybe 6 months. We're here, and this is my entire template. There's also a pay, like you can also purchase this template. Sure, I mean, that's the one of the cases for Notion templates. I think, yeah, this is just one of the parts of the challenges. So the main template you can purchase is this one, the Second Brain business template. So let's take this example in my own template. So I, for example, have an idea library, which makes my writing, for example, my business useful. So, for example, here I have everything connected. All of these things are related to other documents. This is the main part, okay? So let's type one here. So for example, you can see innovation only happens from creative viewing angles towards problems. So for example, this one is connected to a specific video I've created, why simple systems are often better. And this one is related to an area from the para method, if you're familiar with this, from Tiago Forte. And then it's connected, for example, to productivity. This is a topic about productivity. So I know, okay, this video, this quote or this idea connects to a database of my videos, which for example was why simple systems are often better. And then we have the areas, productivity mastery in this case, which is, I know, oh, okay, it is in terms of productivity. And then, for example, we can also do something like quality of the idea. I haven't really used this one, but also we can have, for example, a connection to a newsletter. So I write every single week 2 newsletters, every Wednesday and Saturday, about productivity, creativity, and self-improvement. And then I know, okay, I got the idea of the YouTube video from my newsletter, which is how to think and work like Steve Jobs. So I know, okay, this quote or this idea is originally from a newsletter because it connects to the newsletter. It is a productivity tip, a productivity mastery, and it connects to the specific video I've created based upon the newsletter, upon productivity, and it was uploaded on YouTube on the video why simple systems are often better. So after a specific while, I created kind of like an interconnected web of knowledge with these Notion relations. And then, yeah, what I mostly do, like you can also, for example, connect this one to any document. Let's, for example, if we go into this one here, into the YouTube video, right? Which I uploaded, I don't know, a few months ago. We can see here it is published. We have tags like long format, productivity, business, Saturday newsletter. The content type is, for example, B-roll, iPad, A-roll. And then I see, oh, I have a child content, which is another relation. I hope you follow me. Maybe I explained this too complicated. But I hope you can follow me. So another relation I have inside of my mind is like, okay, I check this one up and I create this video. And then it's like, oh, I have a child content. What means child content? Something where I took the main video and create a shorter, more precise video, for example. And it's another relation. So I kind of like get into this interconnected web of knowledge, which I call it, and then you can click into the next one and then open this one up here. And then like, hey, if you procrastinate, watch this. And then I can dive even deeper and deeper, and I see my information I've used for the past video. And then we can use our Notion stuff with like syncing and other tools. But yeah, like this is the main power of Notion in my opinion. Then you can see here, it connects again, like you can do these double links, right? You have the one link and the other link, you can make them separate, just one way, for example. So you only know, okay, it's a hierarchy and goes down, or you connect both of them and you can see them, like the one document sees the other document. So whatever document you open up, you know which one are connected to each other. And after a specific while of using this system, whatever you want for writing, etc., you kind of like create this huge way of interconnected knowledge gaps, which sparks ideas like crazy, okay? And yeah, we can still like have this thing like text, like something text, hook text, the script, the idea what I want to talk about, the timestamps of this video. But yeah, this is actually the best thing about Notion. And you can also like connect this one as relations again into this hierarchy situation, which you can do in this customizable way. And then you can, like, this is the new function which where you can connect this one here. And then yeah, you can just like click through and then you know, okay, I use, for example, essentials for well-being, the periodic system, 12-week goal system, the para method, the moving project and task system, the 90-day system. All of the information I have in this idea library or in the quotes or in the concepts are inside of this video. So I always know when did I use it, for which purpose did I use it, and how well it connected to my business world. Okay, I know this might have sounded a bit complicated, and I really hope I created this or explained this in a well situation. But yeah, this is the main thing or the main part why Notion is actually useful. So I'm not trying to explain this video like how you build this one up here. It's just more an explanation like how you create this interconnected web of knowledge that your ideas, your note-taking, your systems are useful in connecting to each other. So that's it. And yeah, if you want a more in-depth guide how to build this template, let me know in the comments. Other than that, see you guys in my next video. Bye.